Every once in a while I get companies to send me products to review. This helps the channel to grow, and also I get a chance to give something away to you. So this time I got a dash cam from Azdome. I drive for Uber, so this comes very handy for drivers like me or just for safety on the road. So if you're interested on winning this camera, make sure you like, subscribe and comment on this video, because I will be randomly choosing one lucky person from the comment section to give this camera away. If you don't win this camera, I will be leaving links in the description for you to buy it. It's only $89 and it comes packed with some really awesome features which I will be talking about in this video. So good luck to all of you, and let's do this. In the package, you'll find everything you need to install your camera. The cable, the power supply, the suctioning cup, and some clips for cable management. Now, one of the most important features of a dashcam to consider is how nice and clean it's able to record. You notice this camera is advertised as 4K resolution, but it's only 2880 by 2160, which technically is not true 4K, but the quality is good. During the day, you can clearly see license plate numbers, which is important in case of an accident or a hit and run. At nighttime is a different story. You are still able to see a lot of what's happening, but there's a lot of noise in the video quality, so it's not the same. Personally, I find the 1080p 60 is far better than 2880 at 24 frames per second. It's just having higher frame rate makes a much smoother video. You can also zoom in and out if you want to have a closer look. The camera menus are easy to navigate. Once you get into the menus, you can change the resolution, loop recording for continuous video, exposure, motion detection, parking mode, audio record, date and GPS stamp, G-sensor, speed units for kilometers or miles, and many more options. The camera also has Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can transfer videos and pictures directly to your phone or change the camera settings. You do need to download an app to your phone in order to use this feature. GPS is also included in the camera, which is a plus to me. Not every dashcam has this feature, so I was surprised that this is included considering the price tag. The GPS reads the speed you're traveling, and you can also download a program to your PC which shows you more in detail where you have travel with time, date, speed, in a map. On the left hand side, you'll find the power button and the memory card slot. On the other side, you'll find the HDMI and USB ports. And on top, you'll find the audio video in port. You can rotate the camera to record inside the car, and the audio is very clear as well. The suctioning cup is very strong once it's installed and is there until you remove it. I did notice vibrations while driving, but that is normal from a dashcam. You can also quick release the camera if you don't feel comfortable leaving it in the car, and it's also fast to put it back again. Overall, this camera has everything you expect from a dashcam. The Wi-Fi, the GPS features are great additions that normally you can find in more expensive cameras. If you like to learn more about this, I'm going to leave links in the description where you can buy one or visit Azdome's website. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm Jolster, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Jolster out.
No, I think it is.
Look, Giselle, you like this scooter?
Yeah.
Look. You want one?
Yeah.
But this is not electric, okay? You have to paddle with your feet.
Okay. Like I know how to use a normal scooter.
Okay, Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chichi, so thirsty.
En el súper también venden pollito y también ahí se venden masa.
¿Quieres ir para allá mejor?
Hijo, sí, mejor. Ahí se venden la masa. Que me gusta de ahí porque ahí están las tortillas bien buenas. El súper no las he probado. Sí, es que yo sí quiero gorditas, yo ya. Tengo antojo de gordita. Uy, la Erika ya me iba a empezar a regañar.